Hello, so I chose the lesson plan titled How Many Butterflies? And this is a kindergarten lesson plan that I chose. And the objective for this lesson is for students to be able to write, recognize, and count numbers from 1 through 15. So that is the objective for the standard. But students would definitely start with just one number. So for example, I'm going to demonstrate the number 11. Beginning in this lesson, the teacher would read the story Counting Butterflies by Jerry Pelota and actually practice counting with students. Students would use this technology tool right here. This is called EDUC Manipulatives. It is a free online source that students can access on their own devices in the school, and students can use what we call Unifix cubes. So on the right side, these are called Unifix cubes. So using this tool, I would place a sheet or the worksheet on the board projected on the screen, and it would be butterflies that students can see, and students would actually have to count those, and then they can use the Unifix cubes to recognize the number. So for example, if there are 11 butterflies that I project on the front of the board, students would actually come to their computer and count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And students also have the option to write. So if you click the pencil here, they can actually write their answer on the bottom or wherever they want to on their screen. I would also walk around just to check to make sure students have the correct answers, or students can actually work with a partner and have their partner check. And I really like EDUC because you have the option to write. If you make a mistake, you can actually click the eraser and erase your answer. You also can reset by clicking this button here. Also, students have different colors, so they do not have to use the same color to count. Another option is using a 10 frame. So if I wanted to differentiate instruction, students can actually use a manipulative 10 frame where they can use counters instead to drag to each box until they get to the correct number. So for example, this one has 11, and they do have the option to write as well, so they can click the pencil and then they can also write the number as well. Another way I could differentiate is I can actually have students who are not able to use a computer or use technology. I would actually print out the worksheet. So it does come with a Count the Insects worksheet. They can actually use the worksheet and have physical counters, or either they can have physical Unifix cubes to actually place on their sheet and write it there as well.